Good morning, students. I hope everyone are safe, staying in home and participating e-learning program. So today we are going to learn about surface areas and volumes chapter, the combination of two solids, finding the volume of combination of two or more solids. So here we know that cone, it is right circular cone. So we know the formula to find the volume of cone, 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. So another solid, hemisphere. So we know that volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube units, cubic units. By using these two formulas, we are going to use to find the combination of two solids volume. So here the given question in 13.2, a solid is in the shape of cone standing on hemisphere. So above the shape is cone and one cone is standing on hemisphere with both their radii being equals to 1 centimeter. So radius of cone, it is radius of cone, and radius of hemisphere, it is also 1 centimeter. Height of the cone, so it is given 1 centimeter. Height of cone is given 1 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid, whole solid, in terms of pi. So height of the conical part equals to radius of conical part 1 centimeter. Hemispherical part, radius of hemispherical part equals to radius of conical part. So both hemispherical radius and conical radius is equals to 1 centimeter. So volume of solid equals to volume of cone part, conical part, and volume of hemispherical part. So we know that volume of conical part or cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of hemispherical part is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So we know the values of radius, height of the cone. So I am substituting radius value 1 and height value also 1 in the formula. So 1 by 3 pi 1 whole square into 1 plus 2 by 3 pi 1 whole cube. So 2 by 3 pi plus pi by 3. So 2 by 3 pi plus pi by 3 equals to 3 pi by 3. 3 get cancelled, we'll get pi centimeter cube. So at last we'll get the volume of whole solid is pi centimeter cube. Centimeter cube is nothing but cubic units.